Sincerely Devil. Race number 8, final race for tonight. Moving forward now, Sincerely Devil. Joining in, all set, ready to race. Final race for tonight. Race number 8. And the race is on. Big Packet. From the outside is Ideal View. So gorgeous. In between runners moving up is Rosie Eyes Casmira. Sincerely Devil. Then comes Idol Borong, Mr. Classmate, Colin Tap, and Don Vicente. Big Packet by about 3 lines. So gorgeous. Rushing up is the outstanding favorite, Sincerely Devil. It's Big Packet by about 2 lines. Sincerely Devil in second. So gorgeous. Running in third by the alongside is Ideal View. And rounding the far turn, Big Packet. Then here comes Sincerely Devil. Ideal View and So Gorgeous by the as they race the final corner. Big Packet, Sincerely Devil is on the outside. Ideal View and So Gorgeous. Last 150. It's now Sincerely Devil, followed by Big Packet, Ideal View, and So Gorgeous. Entering the last 75 meter. It's all entry number 5. Sincerely Devil finish the game. Ideal View, So Gorgeous, Golden Top, Big Packet, Casmira.